unemployed, marginalized, and seek needs the love of God, will be for the mercy and care of all Christians in the world. Lord, graciously hear us. Each one of
Fruit of the earth, work of our hands, it will become the bread of God. Yes, it begun. Yes, it begun. Salvation belongs to our God.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, with all my being. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and forget not all His benefits.
Demanded his condemnation. I answered him that it was not human practice to hand over an accused person before he has faced his accusers and an opportunity to defend himself against their charge. So we became together here. I beg you believe.
When we want the Lord to explain the blueprint of our lives, we have to call the Creator, the manufacturer, our architect. And we can only do that through prayer. So therefore, how important or significant is your prayer life therefore? So naato yung 4 questions that we will be answering. No? So, we will dapat kay copy sa blueprint sa yung first house. Plano sa mga balay ba natin copy? Okay. So dapat kay copy sa blueprint. So kung na-lima yung balay,
that you want to grow in your prayer life. What are things, concepts, or happenings that you do not understand about your prayer life? Explanation. Identify areas where you seek improvement in your prayer life and any aspect